Tech certifications are a really sticky topic for a lot of people. They don't understand why companies are making them and how to differentiate which ones are worth getting and which ones are not. And the general rule of thumb is that if it is a company that has a branded certification, i.e., this is not a boot camp that's going to give you a certification after you learn something. This is a company that is certifying you to use their product. The reason they do that, their financial incentive for doing so, is if you understand how to use their product, it is very likely that they will make money off of you being able to use their product, because you will encourage the company that you work for to increase the amount of product that you're buying from them, to extend contracts, to add more features and all of that kind of stuff. And so that's why these companies do that. That's why Salesforce certifications are valuable. It's because Salesforce is certifying you to use their tool. It's like being certified to use a hammer. It's the same thing. If you understand how to use a hammer or a certain line of drills, right? If you understand how to use Ryobi tools, you're going to continue to use Ryobi tools because those are the battery packs that you have. That's the type of tool you like to work with. You like the weight of it, whatever. So if you're fixing a problem, you're going to continue to buy Ryobi tools. And that's the same reason why branded tech certifications are actually valuable.
It can be valuable. It just depends. And this goes to how to find a job backwards. And we've talked about this before. It really depends on what you're trying to do and what industry you're trying to get into. And that's why you have to do the how to find a job backwards, which I think was episode 78. It's the first episode of last year of 2023, and I'll link it in the show notes as well. They can be valuable. It doesn't necessarily mean just because you get these tech certifications that you're automatically going to get hired. You still have to do the work. You still have to gain experience. You still have to build a portfolio. You still have to apply to 1,000 jobs. Just because you get a certification doesn't mean that
doesn't guarantee you a job.
Right, exactly. And so I want to be clear about that.